Hello Faith Moms, welcome back to Faith Mom Life. So today is March 21, 22. Today is March 22. So I'm currently 29 weeks pregnant with baby girl. So I went for my doctor's appointment for baby number 2 days ago, and baby girl mood turned. She's now transversed. So we only have maybe 7-8 weeks before baby girl turns full term. So I'm really praying that she'll turn the right way to go face down, head down, right in time before her delivery. So yeah, please pray for us about that. But nevertheless, you have to prepare for her. So this is prepare for her coming. So this is Kuya Clarice, my Little Promises old diaper bag. I'm gonna wash it. I'm so thankful that I have a lot of kind fellow moms who reached out to share their hand-me-downs, mga girl moms na meron pang mga naitabi. So honestly, I haven't bought anything for our baby girl yet, but I'm just so thankful for the generosity of other girl moms who have shared their clothes with me and who are planning to share their clothes with me and some other baby things, because yun nga, nung lumipat kami dito, of course, ang layo ng pinaglipatan namin. Pinamigay na lahat ni tatay yung mga gamit ni Kari. So, we really are starting from scratch. Well, at least nakip ko pa tong diaper bag niya. But other things, the rest, we really have to, kung hindi buy, antay lang kami ng mga hand-me-downs. And salamat dahil may nagbigay na at may nagpaplanong magbigay rin ng mga hand-me-downs. Ang hirap kasi, ang hirap na mag-overbuy, especially as a second-time mom. I've realized na during Kari's time, I've purchased so much that we didn't actually use. I've purchased a crib, but Kari didn't like sleeping on that crib away from me. So, nabigay lang din namin. We also purchased a carrier, but Kari didn't like that also because he really wanted to be held. We also bought milk bottles, but we only used it for a month because he didn't want to bottle feed. So direct latch na lang kami 1 month onwards. Also bought electric pump. Well, at least nagamit ko for a month, but after a month, direct latch na lang din kami. So yeah, I spent on things that I didn't use and Kari didn't like using. At least yung stroller niya, nagamit namin nung nagbiyahe kami sa flight namin going here. But the other things, as I've already said, sayang lang din kasi ayaw ng anak ko. So I'm being very mindful of that and careful of that with baby number 2 because I don't want to overbuy, overspend, lalo na kung ayaw din namang gamitin ng baby. May mga binili ako na helmet, carrier, yung walker. Kari didn't like any of those. He just used for a bit lang talaga, and then we had to discard because baka madisgrasya pa siya, because he just wanted to explore by himself without those paraphernalia. Ayun, kaya I'm thinking na I'll just buy the cloth, baby carrier cloth. Kasi si Kari nga, ayaw niya yung madaming nakadikit sa kanya, nakastrap. And I'm trying to be more mindful and practical with baby number 2. If she wouldn't use it for a long time, then better not to get it na lang. And baka mas better pa nga yun sa development niya kung kunyari hindi siya mag-walker. Katulad ni Kari, nag-walker siya pero 2 months lang because kasi umaakit na siya palabas ng walker. And natakot ako, became dangerous na. So we had to discard the walker. Mga ganong bagay. So, sa clothes, as moms would know, mabilis lang lumaki ang bata. So, you don't really need a lot of clothes. Kasi, mabilis din yung lakihan. At least meron lang silang capsule wardrobe for a specific stage. So may capsule wardrobe lang for newborn, and then 1 month to 3 months, and for the rest of the stages, na yun yung uulit-ulitin niya. So I'm thinking, siguro ang bibilhin ko na mas madami ngayon is mga reusable diapers o yung lampin. Kasi nga baby girl, try namin maglampin more than we did with Kari. So I'm just washing the diaper in the sink. So yeah, I'll show you my bump. This is 29 weeks pregnant with baby girl.